Sanvanani guys, welcome back to yet another recap of Utando Nestembu. So I want to talk about Uma Khumalo, and Uma Khumalo had a lot to say in her diary session about Umangwabe and Musa's situation. So Umangwabe and Musa basically were supposed to be their night together, but Umangwabe decided not to go to Musa's room. So uMusa vele iyachaza ukuthi uMangwabe, she was speaking to a friend engamnakile, speaking to a friend on the phone for 1 hour. So people have been talking about Uma Khumalo, abanye abantu bayasho ukuthi Uma Khumalo sometimes she puts herself into her sister wives' relationship too much. And I think on this episode we see a little bit of that character of Uma Khumalo. I think sometimes Uma Khumalo iyakhohlwa ukuthi yes, they are married to the same man, kodwa imishado ayifani. Mishata ifani. So sometimes like the advice or what you think might be right for your marriage might not specifically be right for another person's marriage. So Mangwabe can speak anyhow to Umusa. That is the dynamics of their relationship. And then Umuntu always Tatu might feel with Mangwabe is disrespectful, but like ayingeni into yabantu bayithu ayingena because he married her knowing that she's like that then. So Uma Khumalo in a diary station iyachaza ukuthi yena aka-understand ukuthi abanye abangani banjani ukhuluma ngomngani kaMangwabe lo bekhuluma naye, and then iyasho ukuthi maybe Mbali akamtshela ukuthi I need to be with my husband or I should be with my husband, and I need to end this phone call. And Uma Khumalo iyasho ukuthi I wish ukuthi abangani could guide us basitshele in their right of what to do at times. So she's basically saying ukuthi she feels ukuthi umngani kaMbali knew ukuthi uMbali went on a trip with her husband and her sister wives. So umngani kaMbali was supposed to tell her, "Hi mngani, we can't speak for too long. Phela wena, you are a married woman," something like that. So anyway, Musa, obviously, when they were having breakfast, uxoxela uMayeni and Uma Khumalo mayelana nendaba yakhona ukuthi vele uMangwabe akafikanga, she didn't come to the room, and uMangwabe, like, she akanginakile, it's like she doesn't care, don't. So Uma Khumalo, again in her diary session, she comments ukuthi le ndaba yabo is deep, indaba kaMangwabe and uMusa is deep, and vele manje sebayabona ukuthi bona baphila kanjani emshadweni wabo. Quite frankly saying ukuthi like it's deep and it's not looking like uningi, like it's not looking good. But Uma Khumalo does say that there was a time when Dala, when she was 19 years old, and they were out here, Musa and Mangwabe, and Musa and Umangwabe were having like a disagreement, fighting with words. And then uThobile wasengena emtshela ukuthi ezamkhuza uMbali ukuthi hayi akukhulunywa kanje nendoda, yabo. And then uMbali, basically she did not take that well. She basically said to uThobile ukuthi elokazi ngeni sisi indoda yami le, and mengikhuluma nendoda yami awungeni indawo lapho, like basically telling her like, this is my man, you don't tell me how to address my man, stay out of it, it's none of your business. So Uma Khumalo iyachaza ukuthi that's the first time when her no Mangwabe had a fallout. That's because Uma Khumalo was trying to reprimand ezamumbonisa uMangwabe ukuthi akhulunywa kanje, and Mangwabe like took offense to uThobile like trying to correct her. But that's the thing, you guys, ukuthi you can't want to correct umnawenu mayelana ne-relationship anaye nomuntu wakhe. Like, relationships are not the same. Like I said, yes, they are married to the same man, but their relationships are different. And sometimes it's good to look at character, yomuntu. Some people, you can't reprimand them like that, But a lot of people feel like Toby that sometimes she gets into indaba zabo nakwabo too much. And sometimes she talks on matters she shouldn't be speaking about. But if you observe, if you watch the episode, this whole thing ayithi ngichazile ukuthi babamsele bechazela uMayeni noMakhumalo. Umayeni, she was just laughing and she was not adding it to sense. Yeah, in her diary session, she's like, hey, mina ngizingeni, nabantu bayazwana. Benzela thina nje bayazwana labantu angizingeni. She just laughed it off because really that's how it is. Like a married couple, they can baxabane phambi kwakho ucabanga ukuthi hey laba bantu abazwani. Maybe phuma lana bayazwana, they are lovey-dovey and then sheka wena. Like you are in Clegis at the end of the day. But uMakhumalo yena, she had a lot to say in her diary session about uMangwabe, about how she does stuff, and like that was not okay what she did to Umusa, by like not giving him the attention and all of that. So that is it, guys. But quite frankly, a lot of people were coming for uMakhumalo and saying, "Utia is sometimes sissy." Like sometimes was fundisa ukuthula. And I think uMakhumalo vele azikhulume like yena shame. She's a person like that. But sometimes just remember that abantu abafani esithenjini. Like uMakhumalo, like she's like, if you didn't know better, ungasho ukuthi udalela isithembu. She understands isithembu and she's comfortable in isithembu. But other people are not like that, and hence you can't just budge into other people's situations and think that they are going to take it well. But anyway, guys, please do make sure that you like this video. Please subscribe before you leave. It is for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.